In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. This is a fantastic feature that can save you time and effort by allowing you to share forms that already have certain fields filled in. Whether you're collecting consistent information or just want to make the form completion process easier for your audience, pre-filled links can be incredibly useful. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Once you're there, look for the grid icon in the top right corner that represents Google Apps. Click on it and a menu will drop down with various application options. From this list, find and click on Google Forms. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can create new forms or access existing ones. If you have a specific form in mind that you want to create a pre-filled link for, go ahead and select that form. Once it opens up, look towards the top right corner and you'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is usually referred to as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Pre-fill Form. Click on this and the form will reload in a mode that allows you to fill in the fields that you want pre-filled. Go through the form and type in the standard responses that you would like to set. This could be anything from a specific date, location, name, or any other field that needs to be pre-entered repeatedly. Once you've entered the necessary information, scroll down to the bottom of the page. There you'll find a button that says Get Link. Clicking this will generate a unique URL that incorporates the responses you've already filled out. After clicking Get Link, you'll then click on the option that says Copy Link. This action will copy the generated link to your clipboard. Now open a new tab in your browser and paste the copied link into the address bar. Hit enter and you'll see the form open up with all of the fields you pre-filled already completed. This is the link you can then share with others, ensuring that the form arrives with the details you want preset. And there you have it, an easy way to create pre-filled links for your Google Forms. This method can be particularly useful in professional settings or when conducting surveys where you want to streamline the data entry process. By using pre-filled links, you simplify the task for your audience, making it more likely they'll complete the form quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching and happy form filling.